In the world of manufacturing and engineering, having the right materials is crucial. One such material that stands out is 12L14 steel. If you're in search of top-quality 12L14 steel bar stock, then you've come to the right place. 12L14 steel is a versatile and highly machinable type of carbon steel. It contains both carbon and sulfur, which contribute to its exceptional machining properties. Thanks to its composition, 12L14 steel can be easily machined, allowing for precise and efficient manufacturing processes. The addition of sulfur enhances its machinability, while carbon provides strength and durability. The applications for 12L14 steel are vast. It's commonly used in the production fittings, bushings, studs, and other intricate components where excellent machinability is essential. At O'Hare Precision Metals, we take pride in offering high-quality 12L14 steel bar stock. Our 12L14 round bars are available in a wide range of sizes, allowing you to find the perfect fit for your specific needs. We understand the importance of reliable and consistent materials in your manufacturing processes. That's why we ensure that our 12L14 steel bar stock meets the highest industry standards, delivering the quality you can trust. When it comes to 12L14 steel, O'Hare Precision Metals is your go-to source for superior bar stock. Visit our website today to explore our wide selection and discover how our exceptional materials can enhance your manufacturing capabilities